One of the tedious tasks that every DBT developer has to work with is creating new staging models every time data is loaded into your raw database in your warehouse. So imagine I have a new schema here called loans, and that loans has 3 tables that were loaded, and I loaded it with Airbyte. If we look at how Airbyte actually loads the data, it puts the data into this variant column here, which is basically all the columns in my source in a JSON blob. So now I would have to go and flatten all this data and cast it and do all of that type of stuff. So luckily for us, there is a package out there called dbt-cogen, and that's been around for a while. It helps, it uses dbt operations, run operations, macro, and it generates the model for you. It outputs the content into the terminal, and that's good. But we created an alternative to that in dbt-coves that will do the model generation as well as some other features. So let's look at how it works. So here I will run dbt-coves generate sources. This will go and inspect the schemas that I have in my raw database. You can also pass a different database if you wanted to, and you can even pass the specific schema if you know. So in my case, I want the tables in this loans schema. There are the 3 tables that we have. It also recognizes that I have JSON data within one of the columns, a variant column, so it'll offer to flatten it for me. And once I select all of this, all of these files got created for me. So if I now go into my staging area, here is my source YAML, essentially, with the 3 tables, and here is the model properties file with all of the columns, and finally here is the actual flattened schema. Now you can see here that by default I'm specifying a template. We'll discuss that in a future video, but we can define a template of how we want this model to be generated, and in this case we are replacing this NaN with a null, and then here's all the flattened columns. Now we can come in here now and change the data types if we want to flatten them into something else. But that's how it works. This is Datacoves and dbt-coves. Thank you.